What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We are doing the serial filler. So we're going to go live. We are live at 8:21. It's at 8:21. So I will get us a fresh list. We got Marty on top and Kinger on the bottom. Marty on top, King on the bottom. Let me get this spreadsheet. I forgot to get that set up. There we are. All right, 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Kinger on top, King on the bottom. There we go. And I guess that is 0. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 3 on top and King. Let's hope we pull a 101 for you. So Kinger, you got 3. Marty, you got 0. Kinger 8. King 2. Ross 4. Witter 5. Chester, you got 9. Mangan 7. Marty 6. And Kinger 1.